Hello, everybody. Thank you so much to joining my podcast, My Life Podcast. Today, I really want to be fascinating about this conversation because my friend Kanpat Godara will be doing tremendous things. He was a teacher of the English language, author of two books related to English language and to inspirations, motivational and business coach. He will completed his study in the basic PG college, Mega Shahar Bikaner in the BSc, and now he will be teaching a lot of students in the offline. So help me to welcome my friend Ganpat Godara. Thank you so much, sir, to joining my podcast. Yeah.
And sir, thank you very much for welcoming me
No,
in
no,
this
yeah.
manner.
I think you do a lot of things. So how will you manage all the things like to be writing, to yeah? Could you just explain? Yeah.
Actually, my heroes are like Elon Musk, Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam, and Nelson Mandela, and they have done a lot of things. So I also want to do many things at a time. Like I teach many students in a day. I have
Yeah.
written two books, so we sell those books, and we run an online course also.
Oh,
So we have an online course, so students learn online also.
so just I think I will ask the wrong questions. I will ask the what was the thing that you don't do? Just tell me that.
No, it's not like that. I have to do many things in the future.
Yeah.
Something innovative and something creative also.
And well, yeah, you do like motivational speech and a lot of things. So how the idea will become out? It just to be the other person will be doing that you will be inspired from, or it to be creative. How the idea will come out? Like
Like
to become English teacher.
whatever I have done and whatever I do, I am inspired by myself. Like when it comes to English language,
Yeah.
I have a lot of interest in it. Therefore, I teach it. When it comes to books, like
Yeah.
there are many students who do not have a good background of English, so they
Yeah.
need a book which is very from zero level. So I have written those two books. And I'm a business consultant at Bada Business also. So I am a business consultant. Why? Because I think a country can prosper just because of business.
Of
So
course, yeah.
like business is a very vital thing for a country. So I am doing all these things because I love these.
Oh my! Like you love how a person. Yeah, we heard a lot of motivations and a lot of things. They say just focus on one thing and doing that things, but you have to just motivation for all of things. Yeah.
So I think like when it comes to teaching, I can teach maximum 6 to 7 hours a day. Still, I have a lot of time. So I'm
yeah.
a student.
Yeah.
6 to 7 hours a day. After that, your energy wipes out. So like I do the rest of things.
Oh, like first the priority, but yeah, like to you completed your BSc and then to jump in the English teachings. How is that?
When it comes to BSc, I was a student of science math, but unfortunately, I chose the wrong subject because I did not have much interest in BSc and did not have much interest in math. But
Oh.
in final year, I went to an English language trainer. And then I came to know that my interest was here, and then I started learning. Or in just 4 months, like from the level zero, in just 4 months, I started teaching. I opened my own coaching institute, and since then, I have been doing a lot of good work, I think.
I think I heard something wrong. From to zero to like your whole education system in Hindi language or English?
I'm entirely from a Hindi medium background, and I have completed most of my education from government schools.
And then just 4 months, how you learn that? If you join any coaching, or you learn yourself? What was the process of that? Yeah.
Vishnu, to be honest, I had a lot of interest in English. So every day I studied like from 4 a.m. to 10 p.m. Like whole day I studied English. For in 4 months I put all my efforts. To be very open and frank, I put all my efforts, 16 hours, 17 hours every single day I studied, and
Yeah.
I am damn sure that I did it in just 4 months.
Yeah, you without any coaching center or without any help. Yeah.
No, I did take a coaching institute.
Yeah.
But
So-
I studied, like I did a lot of self-study also.
Yeah, like self-study, what it means, just to be listening or doing, what's the, to be clarified it, what it means self-study, yeah.
When it came to reading, I read a lot of novels.
Yeah.
I read a lot of magazines and newspapers in a public library. When it came to listening, I listened to BBC News Review and many international native speakers of English. And when it came to speaking, we had a very good group and we spoke every single day. So all 4 segments were covered by me during those 4 months.
Oh, so that was the secret of like you, when just 4 months and you, then yeah, you learn that language. And how do you start that? I will teach the other students, yeah. to
Like
being a teacher, yeah, in just 23 year old. When you start your career in the coaching center?
like when I started teaching, I was only 19 years old. Like I started
Really?
almost for years. Like to be very honest, I never wanted to become a teacher.
Oh, so
I thought this post would never be for me. But when I
Why-
learned
yeah.
English,
Yeah.
and like I did not know math properly, and as you know, when it comes to government job, you
Yeah.
need to know math.
Yeah, of course.
So then I thought that I couldn't get any government job easily. So I thought, why should I not teach? Because if I have learned in 4 months, people can also learn. Then I started.
Oh, so what year do you teach? Like, where you learn the teaching method? Are you just trying it and we become a best teacher?
Like when it comes to my teaching methods now, very honestly, I accept that my trainer gave me a lot of teaching patterns, and I
right.
still follow them. But I keep on involving new things.
Yeah, like lot of people, they will be stuck there. Oh, we have to not able to teach. But yeah, like not teaching, like if you have to share the thing, that will be really help you. Yeah.
Right, and like I want to mention it that when I started teaching, first I taught in just classroom. Then after 1 year I wrote one book. Then I wrote another book. Now we are making an online course for students. So like every year we are evolving. Like we are not stuck to one particular method of teaching.
You are not evolving. You are evolving like a bigger level. You know.
Thank you, sir. I hope we will make it better.
Yeah, it will be just like how do you think that you will be writing a book and what's it going to be in Amazon? Would you think that because a lot of things, people think that it will take a lot of time to be writing a book. You are just 23 old and yeah.
Undoubtedly, when I started writing my book first day and when I finished the book, it took 10 months to complete one book. 10 months, and I did work almost 4 to 5 hours every single day, including Sundays. And I had to write that book in like 5 times or 6 times to get the best out of the best. Therefore, but hopefully now students like our book a lot, and whoever reads the book says to us that it is a great book to learn.
Yeah, look, like everybody just want to read that book. You will find in the Amazon. And could you just recommend the book name? Yeah.
It is General English Grammar by Ganpat Godara for grammar, and when it comes to vocabulary, it is English Vocabulary by Ganpat Godara, and you can easily purchase offline from Bikaner City, or if you are out of Bikaner City, then it is available on Amazon.
Yeah, that will be but a lot of people just stuck there because in like 23-year-old you will achieve like a coaching center to get book all the 2 books that will be released date. And why did you choose like inspiration, motivational, and coaching coach? Yeah, where it come from?
When you are asking about inspiration, sir.
Yeah, inspiration and the motivations. Where the whole inspiration will come from? Like, is that particular thing that you will do for that?
Sir, like I'm a book lover in human being, and I have read many novels which inspire me a lot, and I am a student of Dr. Vivek Bindra, Ujjwal Patni, Sonu Sharma. So I listen to a lot of motivational speakers, and I have read many books, or whenever I have spare time, I love to read novels. The novels which are educational, not entertaining. So I think I get inspiration from novels and great motivational speakers, educational speakers.
That will be inspire you to. I think for that the inspiration of to you become a motivational and inspiration coach. Yeah.
Yes, sir. And I think like we need a lot of people who can inspire people, who can help them grow.
Like you have to inspire a lot of student. I think
Thank you,
will
sir. If you think so, and I hope. I think we are doing it.
No, we are doing it, but the way of you speak, like in just like 23 or you do lot of things. A lot of people just they will say that. I have to note in right time, right position, right way. Would you think that will be also affect a lot of factors?
Sir, I want to mention that like before starting teaching and before learning English, I was a construction worker for back-to-back 6 years because my family's financial situation was that much poor that you can't believe. So I had to work, and before starting teaching, I did almost 10 different types of job. It was a day labor job, like a labor class job. But I never gave up. I never gave up because I knew that one day the sun would shine, and it is shining now.
It will be more shining than anybody will be amazing in that age. Oh my God, yeah. Your story, I think the inspiration for. I think you have to write a book about your story.
I would definitely write, but if I write in the future, before that, I would like to do something at a global level, like an international level. And
Yeah.
for that, we need a lot of people who can help us, like
Yeah, a
you
lot of
also.
people, yeah. Like, lot of
And
people will be
you are
helping.
making it, and it is like we are now, we with the help of technology, we are able to convey our thoughts to the people. So it is a very great thing, and I also would like to thank you.
No, there is no, yeah, no need to be that because you are doing lot of it was an opportunity to, yeah, you have to be in this platform. But you say that, yeah, like technology will be help you a lot. Like you are living in Bikaner and you will be a reach to be like Bangalore and every country people like a student you will be become. So would you have to use, yeah, technology to in this field like to be teaching English online?
Undoubtedly, sir. Like there
I
are many
yeah,
people. There are
I
many
know,
people.
yeah.
There are many people who purchase our books from Patna, from Kerala, from South India, from even Delhi, Mumbai, and they are purchasing the book and they are getting the best knowledge. And when it comes to online course, we would be able to reach even the whole world with this course. And in the future, we are working on VR, virtual reality, and how to learn English in that VR.
Oh, so yeah, and yeah, you are. I think now you are working on your course, yeah.
Yes, sir. We have been working.
Yeah, that will be a very. I really think about it because the way of you are to doing that thing, I say, yeah, this kind of thing also going in your head, yeah.
Yes.
Yeah. So
And
what?
sir,
Yeah.
I have learned one thing in life, that knowing is not enough. If you are not able to convey your message to the people, that knowing is almost iota or zero. That is not enough, and that is not worth.
Like to knowing like anything, just to be a person have to be knowledge. Like also Google have to be knowledge, but if you do
Yes.
not, yeah, not share with people, yeah, not communicate with people, then it will be worthless.
Yes, sir.
Oh, so how do you, yeah, if just like, if you to know anything, I think you are the person I am talking with you. If you know any kind of skill, you will just share with people, yeah?
Therefore, sir, I am in a public dealing sector, and I love to deal with people.
So yeah, like to be learning any language, would you think that you have to be learn any language and yeah, to be accepted that I am the big man for all of you and I don't share with you because a lot of people do that. So are you to be sharing with people? It will be really helpful for you also.
Sir, I have never ever thought such, and my main prime goal is to make India prosper. Because if India is growing, we will definitely grow.
Oh
So
my
whatever
God.
I know, I convey to the students. If it is about career, it is about job, or it is about business, or it is about English language. So we love to convey, and we have many other teachers in our coaching institute, and I always motivate them and tell them that whatever you know, you tell people, and besides that, you keep on learning, because if you don't have a great level, your students will never have.
Like first the teacher have to be like they have to be confident on themselves, yeah.
Definitely, sir. If the teacher is not a good student, I damn sure say that that person is not a teacher, and that should quit that job and join another job, because
No,
the
no.
teacher has to be a student every
yes,
single day.
the teacher should have to be a student.
Every single day, sir, very honestly. A student can be dishonest, but the teacher can never be. And if that is dishonest, that is not a teacher, I think.
Oh, why? No, it really is so complicated. Yeah, you say that the teacher doesn't mean that you know everything. Yeah,
Yes, sir.
it's you are also learning every day from your students. Yeah, interaction with them.
Sir, I learn from my students, and I have also gurus and trainers, and I learn from them, and I convey my knowledge to to my juniors and to my students.
Oh, yeah, that was you learn from your like coaches and you share with your students. You make a community. Yeah.
Yes, sir.
So yeah, I just wanted your yeah like the way of your journey. What else that you plan for your future? I think you are tremendously growing. So it will be for not now future we will take later. What was when you achieve lot of things like in the 23 years, lot of things like not a single thing, motivational inspiration coach, books writer, a coaching host, and lot of student in under. So that is a lot of things. Would you ever feel like a kind of ego in yourself?
Sir, when I see my great motivational leaders like Elon Musk and Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam, so
Yeah.
I think I even haven't started actually. And like when I see my heroes,
Yeah.
and then I think that if they are doing, they have done and they have been doing this much for their country, so like I even haven't started. So I cannot take any rest, or I
Oh
cannot
my
have
God.
ego. Or if I have ego means like I am doing a very wrong and a very negative thing to me.
Oh my God. Yeah, I talked with lot of people, but I never find a like person you will be say that you just start now.
And even sir, to be honest, I
Yeah.
haven't started because like I am doing with many people are doing, like thousands of people are teaching English, hundreds of people have written books, and there are hundreds of people who are motivational speakers. Undoubtedly, I have been doing my work very well, but I want to do something that can help India, that can motivate students to do something innovative, disruptive, and creative, because the world remembers those who are really different and which will be helpful for country India. And to be very honest and frank, my main motive is India. If India is better, we will be better automatically.
Oh my. Yeah, talking with people. Yeah, I just know people just tell about their self and their thoughts. Why? Yeah, that India will be so important. Yeah, because for you, because of every way of you talking in every aspect, just India, India. Why is that? Like to be inspirations?
You are asking about the people who are
Yeah,
quite selfish.
yeah, quite selfish, but you have to so motivated about India. What's that? Yeah, motivated about India. That I just want to be my country growth.
Actually, sir, I think every single person is the mirror of India.
Yeah, like every Indian.
And every Indian, and like if any foreigner comes to India, and when we go out, if they see us growing, then they can say India is growing. And like it is in my heart and in my mind that whatever I do, it must be directly connected to the growth of India. Like my growth is secondary, and to be very very honest and frank, if India is growing, everyone will grow.
You are so frank, I think.
Yes.
Yeah, that was the other thing that you say that after we are traveling to be, would you travel? Yeah, yeah, any
Sir,
other
I'm a
state? Yeah.
travel lover. Like I have traveled many states of in India, and in 1 month, in 1 year, I travel at least 2 states, minimum 2 states, and I have traveled 6 to 7 states so far. And
Oh.
next, I am planning to go to South India. I have just traveled to Himachal Pradesh. Like I traveled only 1 month ago.
And why you travel? What was that you're fascinating about, and what you learn from that?
I think traveling is also a teacher, and it teaches you a lot of things. And if you don't know about India, how can you plan about India?
If you don't know about India, so for to know about India, you have to travel India to learn. Yeah.
Yes, and I think there are many books which say to us that you should read and you should meet new people and you make them friends
Yeah.
and you learn from them. And traveling, you should travel also. Therefore, I love to travel. I love to read books, and I love the prime goal for me. I love to do things for India.
Like you, oh my God, you love India so much, and now I feel really, I also will do like to communicate. So that's why I'm starting this podcast. Yeah. So you say that you just communicate. Would you, yeah, think that to be communicate people and like mostly common people, they will be teach more than we have to be reading from the books and lot of other things. Real life, yeah.
Yes, sir. And like in our when students learn English from us, and after completing their course, they often say that we have learned more about life, India, patriotism than English. We have definitely learned English, but we have learned many other things. Because undoubtedly our prime goal is India. Like we are teachers, and we teach students, and we have heard that students are the future of a country, and the teachers are the future maker.
Oh yeah, and teacher should have to be a student, yeah. That is
Every
like,
single day, sir. Every single day, a teacher is
yeah, a teacher is
a teacher must be a student every single day, and we are, and like whoever teaches in our institute, we
Yeah.
try to motivate him to become a student every single day.
like the way of your mindset and the to be inspiration, a lot of things to doing. If yeah, a person do not have that good mindset and they say that yeah, you do it because you have to be like a lot of people I think to say you like you do because all these things because you are a genius. You are yeah like a genius. So would you think that yeah, can anybody normal person if he will be feel that he was not a genius, he can also achieve that what you achieve?
Sir, like in my academic career or in my college career, I couldn't score the first division in any year except of 1 year. Like
Really?
Really, like in my
Oh.
10th, I couldn't score the first division. I scored only second division. In my whole graduation, I couldn't score the first division. I scored only the second division. And I think anyone can motivate himself by reading books, by reading novels, by reading different great speakers, and by listening to speakers, by traveling, and by being in a company of great people. Because we are the average of 5 people with whom we spend most of the time. So
Yeah.
geniuses are not born. I think they are made by themselves.
Oh, like yeah, anybody you do not like it. Yeah, really, it will face. A lot of people think that if they not get a good grade in their academic, in their college, in their school time, like in lot of 10th and 12th, but they think that then their life will be going to spoil in some period of time. Yeah, it will be really going to spoil because your life journey is such a fascinating. Like to be.
I don't think so. Like Vishnu, to be honest, like I think you need only 1 year to change your life completely, 180 degree.
One
If
yeah.
if you work honestly, like if you are a student and you are not scoring well,
Yeah.
and if you are a working professional, you do not have a good job or good career. I think if you work honestly, in just 1 year you can get the goal which you desire to get.
Like just 1 year to be hard
1 year, 1 year is enough because I have achieved in just 4 months. So for
Yeah.
every single person, it is 1 year is enough.
Oh, like would you? Yeah, that was also fascinating me. And you said that yeah, how it will be take to your course to be learning English. I think it will be yeah.
Like when it comes to offline, if there is any student who can Google HM classes Bikaner and he can know about us
And
he
how
can
long?
visit
Yeah,
us.
yeah. Your course duration.
The duration is minimum 4 months, and the rest depends on a student how much he wants to learn and where he stands.
Oh, like to be if a person who be like not like a student, if anybody just want to be like a young like 40 year and 50 year, he just want to be learn. Can he also be learn from that without yeah knowing a background of yeah any kind of education
Sir,
academic?
we have taught many students who were 40 years old, even 50 years old, and they did not even like for many decades they did not have any educational background. Like
Also-
they left study 20 years ago, 30 years ago. Still they have learned because English is not a subject. That is English literature. We teach English language, or anyone can learn language at any age.
Oh my god, yeah, I also talked with a person that the person also say the same thing like English is not a subject, it's a language and anybody can learn that
Learn
language.
it. Yeah,
Like yeah,
anyone can.
but yeah, you in yeah like a small town or any town, people really think that after it going to a certain age, to be like a 40 and they will show like you in the 23 year and talk teach them. Would it also fascinating like oh you teach us and they will be not going to the coaching center. Would you also feel that?
Sir, whenever people visit us and those people are 40 years old or 50
Yeah.
years old, when they visit us in the office, they doubt us. But when they attend only one class, after that they never doubt us.
Oh,
Because
like-
they know that talent and hard work never has any age.
Oh, like first people will doubt you like, oh, 20-year-old will be teachers and we will spend my 40 years to not know about that, yeah?
It has happened many times, sir. Would you be able to teach us? And then we say, just attend one class. And after that, attending that class, they say, sorry, sir.
Like it will be not matter that how old are you. The matter is that how do you communicate, how do you share your knowledge to people, yeah?
Yes, sir. Like my guru, Dr. Vivek Bindra says, if you understand the need of your customer means the person whom you are serving. If you are serving what that person needs, you will always be a good person to serve. And we always keep in mind what the students need, and we never forget from it, and we never divert from it.
Oh, like you know that what the student need and you working on that. But lot of like other coachings and I will be like other school, they just like English medium so called. They just focus on like what they get from the parents.
Yes, sir. I would like to clarify it. Like there are many students who just need spoken English, and there are many students like academic students or competitive exam appearing students. So whenever we have any academic or competitive exam appearing student, we just focus on grammar and vocabulary first, because we know that they need formal English. And
Yeah.
there are many people who want to learn like to communicate with each other. Then we put attention on spoken. So like it is like personalized service. We put attention one to one
Oh,
so that we can deliver the best.
like you not focus on the like whole majority of classes and we have to teach one thing to all of them. No, you focus
Yes.
on.
Or like if there are 20 students, so we can make 3 batches easily. We don't think that this will cost a lot, because
Yeah.
we know that if the student learns, that is our prime goal. If he needs spoken, we put more attention on spoken. If he needs grammar, we put more attention on grammar. Everyone has a different need, you know very well.
Yeah, of course, everybody have to be different need, but a lot of people will be not understand. Yeah. So you say that when you have completed your course of the 4 month, when you start to be like to teaching, so what I think the people say that so you want to become a teacher, and lot of things will be going on. What's the first day of the coaching center? Could you explain it little bit?
Sir, I remember it very vividly. I started in my own colony. Or the first batch was at 5 p.m. And
Yeah.
I was waiting for students, but till 5:30 no one appeared. So I had a lot of sweat on my head and on my forehead, and I was saying, Ganpat, you may have started something wrong. But now I realize that it was a good decision to start teaching, and now we have hundreds of students. So it was like very fearful and very dreadful. And in the beginning, actually, like we had a lot of struggle.
Yeah.
For many months back to back, I had only 4 to 5 students in the whole day.
Oh, just to be 4 to 5 students.
But we never gave up because we knew what we delivered, and students always liked what we delivered.
Like to people mostly focus on the money they don't get, but focused on the what are you delivering to other person.
Yes, sir.
Oh yeah, like that was such a fascinating about. Would you like a point of time? Would you think that now I'm going to be I'm good that kind of level? If how many by the way how many staff do you have in your coaching center?
We have approx 10 people now.
Oh yeah, they
10
all.
people working. Some of them are from like management, receptionist, and most of them are teachers.
That will be great. And so you are the CEO of the coaching center, yeah?
In the future,
In the future?
like sorry sir, what did you ask? I didn't.
No, I will ask you. I think CEO of like the chairman of the company. Of, like,
Yeah,
your classes.
I am the founder and CEO. And
So how
like
can you-
I have HM classes. The word H stands for Hariram and the word M stands for Meera. Hariram is my father and Meera is my mother. So I have given the name on my parents' name because they did a lot of things for me. They taught me, they upbrought me, and I think I have a lot of debt to them and I can never repay it. So I have just tried to give the name of the institute on their name.
Oh my god, I think that like it's HM. Oh, how intelligent you are.
No,
You-
sir. It is just my respect. It is very little respect which I can give to them.
Yeah,
Because
respect, with intelligence. Yeah, oh my god. Yeah. Like that is just show your respect to your parents because we have to never forget that. Yeah.
yes, because without parents we would not be here actually. They taught us, they fed us, they gave us clothes, shelter, everything. And like I was like my father didn't have much money and my mother didn't have much money, but they did a lot of labor job even, and they always taught us because they knew that only education would make our life better and bright.
Yeah, like real education that you're talking now, that the way that will be help you. Yeah.
Yes,
That
yes,
will
sir,
be.
and
Yeah.
undoubtedly. And they have always taught us that money can be important and money is important, but your ethics, your ethics must be more important than money. Ethics must be at the top. Therefore, we have this mentality in our HM classes also, that here the student is the prime goal. If the student learns, that must be the top priority for us.
Like lot of people will be got money, then will be they just don't care about ethics. They say it will be happen into life, the money will be important, but like to be priority that your parents to tell you what there ethics.
Ethics. They taught, son, ethics are more important. You must have ethics because when you have ethics, you
Yeah.
will get everything automatically.
Oh, that was the most
And we
important.
have been getting, actually, we have been getting.
Yeah, that was a great thing. But a lot of people, yeah, just think about like you have to yeah, start these things. Like it's like a call a business. I usually yeah, want to say that it's called a business. Like when the people think about, they just yeah think about like anything to be yeah new invention. They think about money and a lot of other things. They not think about that what I'm going to deliver, what kind of value I will going to be delivered. Yeah.
Yes, sir. When we put attention on money in a new startup or a new kind of work, like my guru, Dr. Vivek Bindra, always says to us that focus on problem solving products and services. If you are solving the problem of people and you are solving at an affordable price, you don't need to make any business model. The business model will automatically grow.
Yeah, like
You need to solve any problem. If you can do this, you will grow, and if you can't do it, you will definitely die when it
oh,
comes to career.
like the way of your explanation that will be great, and a lot of people have to be excused. Yeah, not mostly. They say that I have to not like a mentor, like a Ganpat have. I have to not that kind of coaching, that kind of mentors, that kind of good teachers. But I think yeah, you find yeah, you're a teacher from like online. Yeah.
Yeah, I have online teacher as well as offline. Not only Dr. Vivek Bindra, the teacher who taught
Like
me
you
English.
learn from online lot of things, yeah? You think so?
Online as well as offline. Like I have 5 to 4 mentors in Bikaner also, and whenever I have time and they have time and we have mutual free time, so I go to them and I demand I seek their teaching, that tell me what to do and what to do. But mostly I get my education from online.
Like you have to be influenced by them, what they think, yeah? But
Yes.
yeah, now these days people just don't yeah, care about like how old are you, you don't know, I have to technology, I know about everything, it will be free of cost in YouTubes are everywhere. But to be value of that core value, people just follow, yeah, like the people they should not have to follow. Then how do we choose a right mentor for ourselves?
I think when it comes to choosing a mentor, I think a mentor is a very important person for us just after our parents.
Like
So
just,
first you have to do a lot of study about him and you have to listen to him a lot of times. Then you must decide it, because it is a very tough task, to be honest.
yeah, tough
Because
task.
there are many fake mentors also.
Yeah, that's why I'm telling you. Like, yeah. So how you have to study that? What kind of the ethics he have? What kind of work he is doing? Yeah.
Yes, sir.
And you, I just want to be summary of this, but you said that before. That like what 5%, which kind of yeah, people that you will be surrounding you, that will be affect you a lot. So yeah, how is that work really? Could you explain it a little bit?
Yes, sir. When it comes to my personal life, I spend time with a lot of people, like my family members, my friends. But when it comes to my working hours and when it comes from Monday to Saturday,
Yeah.
I spend most of the time with my friends who are very good. And like one of my friend is the number 1 dealer in JK Lakshmi Cement.
Oh,
And one of my friends is running a startup in Bikaner, and one of my friends is doing a good job in like a good kind of work of aluminium, and one of my friends is doing a lot of work in transportation. One of my friends is doing very great work in dairy products. So whenever I have any spare time, I talk to them, because they have been doing their work honestly. So they tell me what to do and what not to do.
Like yeah, also it will be yeah, I will want to yeah, interrupt you, but yeah, a lot of people say that in my surrounding I'm not able to connect with people, but in online you find a lot of people, I think, yeah.
Undoubtedly, sir, but it is not easily possible to trust them online. You have to do something you have to do
Research.
some study about them, research about them.
Like I do study about you.
Yes, sir. And you approached us, and therefore we are having this podcast.
Yeah, like we have to be find it. If you have to just yeah, grow up your mindset like you to find a new way to communicate. Yeah.
Yes, sir. And we have many platforms like LinkedIn, Twitter, Google. Just dial and we can find people.
Just dial in the Google HM classes and you find yeah, this guy is amazing at what goes. Yeah. So I just want to be like, what was the thing that will be make you more productive?
Sir, I think my skills will make me more productive. My focus, laser sharp focus, will make me more productive.
Oh,
Yeah. I am honing my skills every single day, and I am trying to put more attention on my work, and I have been able to do it.
Oh, people should have to be focused on their skills, not like degrees or anything, sir.
Yes, sir.
Focus on
Degrees
your
are important.
yeah,
Degrees are important, but
important,
degrees
yeah.
are never more important than your talent, hard work,
And skill,
dedication, and unique skills.
skill is the most important. Like to be any kind of skill, like you have to become yeah. So that skill is more important, yeah. So could you
Yes.
just tell me about your daily routines because a lot of people want to be inspired from you, little bit, yeah.
Yeah, like nowadays, I get up at 5 a.m. or mostly I get up at 5 a.m.
Yeah.
From 5 a.m. to 7 a.m. I charge myself. I read novels and I listen to my mentors, trainers, gurus. I teach myself.
So
From
that's it.
7 a.m. to 7:30 I take my breakfast and leave home. From 7:30 to 8:30 I shoot videos for online classes. From 9 to 11 I have back to back two classes. From 11 to 11:45 I take my another breakfast and I make some phone calls. I have some appointments every single day.
Yeah.
Again from 12 to 1 I have one class.
Yeah.
From 1 to 1:30 I take my lunch. From 1:30 to 3:30 I have again classes, back to back two classes. And from 4 to 5 I have again one class. At approx 5:30 I go to the gym. I do workout for almost 1.5 hours. Then I come home and whatever work is remaining and important I do. Then in the night I do what I couldn't do in the day. So and I think I go to bed approx 10 to 11 between 10 and 11 p.m.
Oh my! I think it will be like quite busy schedule. You just take time for this podcast, and so, that was really fascinating me. And how is going in the lockdown time? Because the lockdown time it will be all the close up and.
Sir, when it came to lockdown, yes, I know that for back to back 3 months I couldn't do any work. So during that time I worked on my skills from morning to evening. And those skills are paying me off. To be honest, those skills are paying me off. I never waste my time. I keep on doing. I'm a workaholic person.
Oh yeah, that you show your productivity and the whole thing that you now you say that all of the people you say you have to make online content where people just find their online content like in YouTube or it will be paid for any website. What's your website?
We have an exclusive mobile app, but if you want to know about that, you can visit www.hmclasses.com. From that you will get our contact number and you can contact us. And if you want to know about contact number, that is 9928309966. And if you another option, just go on Instagram, go on Twitter, go on Facebook, go on Google, just type in every search engine and just search HM Classes Bikaner.
HM Classes is everywhere.
Actually, like we are very honest with our work.
Like because you doing like more like ethically, that was the most important, and that will be and where like then you will come out your website, go to there and check it and read the 2 books that you will be you found it from the HM Classes and with the book link also in there. So thank you so much, Ganpat, to attending my podcast. This was really amazing.
Thank you very much for having me and thank you very much for making this podcast because with the help of this podcast
I really want to be like you have to busy schedule. You take time for this podcast. That was really remarkable. I think that a lot of inspired, a lot of student and a lot of person, lot of teacher also inspired because teacher also should have to be a student and that. What was the I just want to be 2 questions. What was the thing that people learn from this podcast that you want to be shared with them? What was the one thing?
I think with the help of this podcast. I think with the podcast people can learn like when you said that you have a tight schedule, so I got some work in my mind. Sorry to interrupt. So I think people can learn from this podcast that how to learn English. Like there are 4 segments: spoken, reading, writing, listening, and you have to put attention on all 4 segments. The first one thing is this, and the second one thing that we must learn a language because a language can make our career.
That like your career will make it that way. And what was the one thing? Like what was the impact that you want to be on the world from your life? Also for India.
I think we must work for humanity, we must help the people, and we must do something that our parents can be proud of and our teachers can be proud of. Just leading one life is not enough. You have to contribute for this world to make it a better place to live.
Oh, that yeah. I really want to be talked with a lot of things about your books. We talk later, but it's going to be time up now, yeah.
Yes,
And
sir.
yeah, and really, really, yeah, for my heart to be everything. This conversation was going to be deeper in my mind. You know that.
Thank you, sir.
So
It's
yeah,
our pleasure.
yeah. Thank you so much, guys. For it was really, really nice to talk with you. And all of your guys, please yeah, listen it and share with all of your social media with like HM classes, hashtag, and search it for www.hmclasses.com and go to there and find and talk with ya if you want to be coaching. And I think you will provide online coaching if anybody want.
Yes, we are
Yeah,
providing.
it will be providing as well. I think a best opportunity because they work on the ethics, not just to sell you anything. They work
Yes.
on your vocabulary, there anything that you want from. So I just only say one thing: just go to SM classes and listen this. Yeah.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you
And
so.
we promise you that these words will definitely be 100% true.
True, and we talk. Yeah, make other podcasts and we talk later. And thank you so much to come on this podcast.
Okay, sir. Thank you. Goodbye. Have a nice day.
You have a nice night. Yeah.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you so much.